just before we start, this is exactly why I love YouTube. You have someone saying it's correct, he liked it. You have someone saying they think I'm right. And you have this guy. But yeah, all I can say is this is why we love this platform.
What is up, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So if you ever heard the words money is the root of all evil, you definitely need to watch this video and understand exactly what you've been told. Now I'm going to break down exactly why I've said that today, what exactly money is the root of all evil means, maybe why people have told you that in the past, what exactly they may have meant, and what you can do to interpret it in the correct way going forward. So before we get into that today, I do want to say, as you guys know, we've hit over 1,000 subscribers, so again, a huge thank you to all of you guys. But now the job is to ensure we keep that continuing, we move on to the next 1,000 and we get to the 2,000 subscribers. So if you're new around here, that means hit that red button below. If you're not new around here, make sure you comment on the video, leave me a comment, leave me a like as well, give me some feedback, anything you want to say, just drop it in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to share these videos with your friends. I've seen that a couple of you guys have been sharing these videos with your friends, so that's a good thing. Keep that going so we get them out to more people, help more people understand a bit more about money and why it's not the root of all evil, what exactly you can do to help themselves when it comes to their money, and all the good stuff as always. Lastly, I just want to say, if you're new around here, this is the Money Management. I upload a video each and every day. So like I said, I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate everything you guys can do to keep me going forward. But now, let's talk about money being the root of all evil. You see, a lot of people think that money is wrong, all people who have a lot of money are evil, people who want money have bad intentions, people with a lot of money have bad intentions. They think all of these kind of things. What they don't understand is there are many people out there who do not have money and who have these intentions. There are many people who have a lot of money and have none of these intentions. There are many people who realize exactly what money is, and money is the root of all good. Well, to start off with, I'll give you guys a couple different examples and you guys can judge for yourself whether you think it's the root of all evil. So let's say somebody wants to get money and they'll scam their friends, they'll steal from their friends, they'll rob their friends, they'll take their friends' money, they'll do anything they can to get that money. Well clearly, it doesn't sound like a very good thing. I wouldn't really say it's a good thing there. Obviously money is the root of that evil. On the other hand, people need shelters built, people need hospitals built, people need financial institutions built, people need educational establishments built. How do they do this? What will they do to get this? Well, I'm pretty sure they can't just go out and start building stuff from thin air. Obviously, in this case, they need money to provide the tools to create these kind of things. So, contrary to what you guys may believe, I've just provided you guys a solid example of money giving you guys the capacity to afford something good, to create something good. Of course, hospitals, education establishments, financial institutions, all these kind of things are good. If you want to build a shelter for the poor, how do you do this? Again, that's money. It's really not difficult to understand here. But let's talk about money being the root of all evil, why people may say this. Now, there are many people out there who are crazy-minded, who really, really want money, and they'll do absolutely anything to get that. In this case, they may steal from their friends, they may rob you, they may scam you. You guys have seen these kind of people on the internet. They'll do absolutely anything just so they can get some money. Their their lust for money is what exactly is evil here. But on the contrary, for me, money is the root of all good. Think about exactly what money has done for you. The fact you're watching this video, money gave you the capacity to do that. Any gifts you've purchased, any gifts you received, any holidays you've taken, any schools that have been funded to you, any apartments or houses you've rented, money caused all of that. Money provided you with that possibility. Money did all of that for you, and you have to be grateful for that. You need to understand this. Money is the means to an end. So what does that mean? Well, I want money because I want to provide a better life for my family. Now, how I get that money? Maybe from me working extremely hard for 12 years straight. How I get that money could come from me stealing from people. You see the complete difference. One is the actual good intention, one is completely wrong intention. Money does not, money lets you decide. Here I've shown you can work for 12, 15, 20 years to create a better life for your future family. Or you can go out and with the wrong intentions and rob people, have bad intentions, have the wrong mindset. Obviously money is the, root of your evil. But that came from you yourself. Money in that case was not simply the root of the evil. It was also your intentions, your mindset, what you did with the money. Because the end you're looking for can come from many different ways. Many different paths can lead to that end. But your means, what you decide, what you dictate what you're going to do with your money, are all based on how you dictate what you're going to do with your money. It's based on your decisions. You can't blame anyone else for that. You cannot say money is the root of all evil just because of that. Now, of course, there are people who fall in love with money. Again, this is bad. There are many different things which are more important than money. For starters, your relationships, your family, your attitude, your friendships, your loyalty, your time. There are so many different things more important than money. But people have a love for money for the wrong reasons. Their money is clearly the root of all evil. People who want to do great things with money, people who have allowed you to be able to watch this video with money, well, clearly you can see that has nothing to do with evil. I guarantee you guys have all bought gifts for someone, or you've made someone happy down to the fact that you had money to be able to do those kind of things. Again, in that case, what gave you the capacity to afford those things? Clearly it was money. What gave you the ability to buy someone a gift? What gave you the ability to pay for someone's house? Think about all the good things, all the memories you made, when you were a kid, all the great things your parents did for you so you could be happy, so you could have fun, so you could enjoy your little life. Guess what that was down to? All of that was provided to you because money was provided to them. It is simple as that. There's no other, explanation for it. Everything that you have been given, everything that you have been able to do was down to money. You can say hard work, but you worked hard for that money. You can say luck, but you still had to have money involved. These are things that people forget. The fact that they can, get on their phone and complain about money online, well, without money, you wouldn't have been able to have that phone. There are people out there who hate capitalism, but they're the same people who have latest technology, they have access to the internet, they have social media, they have the things that, many people would have wanted 20, 30, 40 years ago. That is all down to money. Of course, it's innovation, technology, but it's down to money. Money has produced so much good in this world. For some strange reason, money has produced so many good things on this earth, unbelievable things, and people are not grateful for it. People don't see that. People forget that really quickly. So the first news they hear about someone who robbed someone, who stole money, or did something bad for money, again, money's root of all evil comes out. That is not true. The love of money, in itself is bad. But don't just love money for the fact that it's money. Love helping people out. Love creating shelters for people. Love building hospitals for people, love creating opportunities for people, love buying people gifts, creating a way of living, having a way to live, having a good life. That's down to money itself. Money can create so much good as long as you see it in the right way. There are many of you guys out there who want to start a business. You get money from your 9 to 5, let's say, and you're able to start that business because you earn money to do so. Again, if you don't understand what I'm saying, you have a 9 to 5, you get paid for 40 hours a week. You get that money and you're able to provide with your family, you're able to buy a gift for your friend, you're able to pay rent so you can live a better life. You're able to buy a new phone, buy a TV, buy a laptop, go to the movies, have fun. All of this is down to money. Money is creating a nice life so you can live and enjoy. Money right there is not the root of all evil. If it was the root of all evil, you wouldn't be having a nice life. You wouldn't be enjoying your time with your friends. You wouldn't be able to go out on vacation. You wouldn't be able to visit new places, see new sights, learn new things. You wouldn't be able to do all of that, none of that, without money. And a lot of people do not understand that. You need to ensure you look at money in the right way. You take it into context, all the kind of possibilities it has created for us. You cannot get caught up in always listening to other people and what they say. You have to do your own thinking for yourself. You might still think money is the root of all evil after this video. But either way, you have to understand that, again, it's created so many opportunities for you. It gives you the capacity to afford so many good things. The restaurant you went to 2 years ago where you enjoyed a great Argentinian steak, that was down to the money. You could afford it, you paid for it. The fact that the restaurant was built was down to money. The fact that the owner was able to provide you with such great service with his waiters and their workers was down to money because they got paid. Money is a tool. It is what you do with it that determines what's evil, what's good. But the money itself is the root of so much good on this earth, and people need to make sure they do not forget that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope really that you took away something from this video. As always, my aim on this channel is to help at least one person become better each and every day. One person become close to financial freedom, one person close to financial success, one person more control of their time, and one person learning something new each and every day. Hopefully today that was you, and hopefully you guys understand now why money is the root of all good and it is not the root of all evil. Again, do not fall in love with money, but it's fine to have it working for you, to use it to create a better life, to do many good things. But either way, please make sure you guys check out those links in the description. We've got so much going on there. For those of you who don't know, I have a smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. We have about 6 different models, many different colors for guys, for girls. Go check us out. Also, please make sure to check out those other links in the description. We've got affiliate marketing, we've got cryptocurrency, free stocks. It's all there, links in the description below. But thanks a lot for watching today's video, guys. That's for today. I got into making, you got into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.